South Carolina is a state in the southeastern United States. It has subtropical beaches and marsh-like sea islands and a large diversity of wildlife. With a variety of mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibians and insects. The East Coast state has had many animals come and go in the past. Here are just a few of the amazing animals that used to live in South Carolina. The eastern cougar, also known as puma or mountain lion, once roamed the state's mountainous regions. Hunted for its fur and killing livestock, the eastern cougar was hunted to extinction. It was larger than the western cougar, most commonly found in the swamps and forests because of its human-shy nature. The Carolina parakeet was a colorful bird, prolific to the Carolinas. The Carolina parrot had green, red, and yellow feathers. The last one died in the early 1900s. There have been several attempts to revive it and introduce it back into the population. The Deinosuchus was bigger than the biggest crocodiles we have today in South Carolina. They existed millions of years ago. The fossils show that they were the biggest that ever existed. Their appearance is similar to those today, just much larger, reaching lengths of 35 feet and a height of 4 feet tall. The ivory-billed woodpecker was a large black and white bird that lived in southern swamps, cypress forests and wet hardwood forests. It was iconic in the South and featured in a few movies. It had red on its back and a yellow patch on its breast. The male was larger than the female. The last sighting of the bird was in Louisiana in 1944. The bird became extinct as a result of deforestation, bush burning, and hunting. There have been attempts to reintroduce the species and breed it in captivity, but so far, they have not been successful. The saber-toothed tiger lived during the Pleistocene. This big cat became extinct 10,000 years ago during the Quaternary extinction event. Some historians link their extinction to the competition between them and the felids that replaced them. The woolly mammoth was also known as Siberian mammoth or northern mammoth. They were in existence about 2.5 million years ago. In 1725, some fossilized teeth were discovered on a plantation in South Carolina, which turned to be the remains of a woolly mammoth.